Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to view sensitive content on Twitter or X. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you will just simply scroll down and here you will see the option settings and privacy at the last. Tap on it. Now you will just simply scroll down, tap on privacy and safety here. And after a few seconds of loading, you can see this type of page. You can just simply scroll down and you will see the third option, that is content you see. Tap on it and you will find the one more option, that is display media. First of all, you can make sure that you enable the display media. In my screen there is no option available because this option is available in some countries, or if the option is not available, you can just simply update the latest version of Twitter or X. After this, you can enable the option, and this is the way you can view sensitive content on Twitter or X. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.